What's up? What's up, guys? Today I will be showing you how to code your own sword simulator game. Look at how fun I'm having right now. Uh-oh, I forgot to press when green flag clicked. There we go. Basically, a sword simulator game is that you have to get money to unlock a sword. And you might be wondering, how do you do this? And how do you get this random swords, and how do you get these chances? You see it says common sword, wood sword, right? So basically, all you need to do is follow my steps. Alright, first I'm going to go on curate on Scratch. Okay. First, we will start with the egg. You can see right here. The egg code is not that hard. It's actually quite simple. Just waiting for this. Okay, there we go. First, let's delete the Scratch kid. There we go. He's gone for. Now we'll go to Paint, so we could create our own sprite. So we're gonna make a oval. We're gonna make a circle. Go to the circle thing, press that, and then make your own circle. So for this, I'm only gonna make one. Also, we're gonna have a part 2, so I could show you like how to make the quest, how to make the finishing touches. Okay, now there. You could write whatever you want. Right now, I'm just gonna write 1, so it simplifies of egg 1 out of the other eggs. Let's go ahead and do that right now. 1. You could write the cost 2 if you like. Cost. I'm gonna do this 50. You could do $50, whatever you want. You could even do your own type of money. Right now, I'm just gonna go with the simple one, $50. Okay. So first, when green flag clicked, we will go to motions, go to 36, we'll go to the X and Y thing, put that there. Okay, when this sprite clicked, we are going to broadcast sword, but don't write sword like the real word, because it's going to be overwhelming. So write a short form, like SORD. Make a short form, because if you make like the real word, it's going to be very overwhelming. So press OK. You might as well add a 1 there, because you're going to make more than 1. For now, I'm only doing 1. Press OK. So when this right clicked, broadcast sword 1. Now let's make our sword. I'm just going to make the world's most simplest sword. So all I'm going to do is this. Here. Here. And we'll put this here. Oh no, no! Okay, let's just thicken this out so I can put this here. There we go. That's my sword. You may be wondering, why is this thing in the middle of nowhere? We're gonna code that later. For right now, I'm just gonna customize my sword. You can customize your sword any way you want. But right now, I'm gonna make it very small and weird looking, like this. Alright, you could change your color, whatever you want to do with your sword. By the way, this is what you want your sword to look like. This thing. Alright, now let's continue. Okay, I'm done with my sword. I'm not going to color it. Let me get rid of this mode on. Off. Oh no, wait. I can't get rid of it. Oh, no, stop. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. Okay, no. Okay, there we go. Now can I stop this? Oh, finally. Oh no, wait, what? Okay, so now we're gonna go to code. No, I don't want this. Give me 1 second. Okay, I fixed the glitch. Okay, now let's go to the code. So when green flag clicked, of course we're gonna make this go hiding. Hide. Also, you may want to put this in a spot where it doesn't cover your egg or something. So there, we have that. Also, I would like to point out something very, very important. Many people make this mistake where they forget to make a broadcast and they just go into like random, really hard codes. For me, I'm just gonna simplify it for you. So we're gonna go to when I receive sword 1. I am going to make costumes. Let's make 2 costumes or 3. I'm just gonna go with 2. You could choose how much. For me, I'm just gonna make 3 costumes for each egg. I'm gonna make this one a diamond sword. This one a... Oh, that's gonna be hard. Acceleration like that. And this one's gonna be a stone sword. And this is gonna be a wood sword. There we go. Now I have all my different costumes. So when I receive sword 1, let's go to looks. Switch costumes to. We're gonna go to operators. Pick random 2. 1, 2, 3 costumes I have. And then we will put in looks. We'll go back to looks. And we'll say show. Now let's see how that works. Yup, it works. It's all different. Alright. Now let's make the money. Let's go to variables. Let's call this money. Press OK. So, depending on if you're using an iPad or anything, I am going to go to the egg. I'm going to go to events. So basically, if you're on an iPad or you're making this for a phone specifically, you would make a different sprite. Let me show you right now. I'm just going to make a random sprite right now. Really random. Here. There we go. Let's just put this down here. I'm making a very random sprite. I'm just showing this for the people who are making it for specifically a phone or iPad. We're just gonna go to when this right click, change money by 1. So let's see how that works. You could do that for the people who are doing iPad, or if you are using a computer, I'm making this specifically for a computer, you would go to when space key pressed, we will go to change money by 1. Now let's see how that works. Oh, I forgot about that. Also, we want to reset our money. So we will go to when green flag clicked, set money to 0. Now let's see how that works. Yup, it works. Now we want to make this egg not like you could just press it and you won't lose any money and blah blah blah. Let's go to, so we want to make it look like it's unavailable and you cannot get it. So when green flag clicked, forever, if then else. If you guys watch my clicker simulator video, you would understand. Forever, when green flag click, forever, if then else. We will go to operators. If we won't want to do an equal, because if you do an equal, it's just gonna be only equal to that thing. And also there's this weird glitch in Scratch where it's the opposite. For example, this. And if you put a money here, if money greater than 50, And that obviously would represent showing that if money is greater than 50, then we'll go to looks. We will go to set color effect. But instead of color, we'll go to ghost 60. Set ghost effect to 60. Else clear graphics. Let's see how that works. Yup. Alright. So now we will go to when this sprite clicked. We will not put any forever blocks. We're gonna put in a if then else. If we'll put the operator here. If money is greater than 50, we'll make this blank. We will say change money by 50, negative 50. Now let's see how that works. Also, you could put sound effects in there. Like, for example, you could say start sound pop. So, yep. Let's see if it works. It made the sound pop. Also, now, if you guys know from our clicker simulator game, we did, when this sprite clicked, we will change the money. So this is kind of like a clicker simulator game, but it's like with chances and much more suspense, and it has quests. It's much more better than a normal clicker simulator game. Also, you can name your, you could also name your presentation. I'm just gonna call this Sword Simulator. Sword Simulator. Now we will go to events when the sprite clicked. Also, you may be wondering if this sprite clicked, then change money by blah blah blah. But then you'd be confused because then all of these will be equal. I got you there. It's a very, very simple code, but not many people know this code. We will get an if then block. We will go to operators. We will get out the equal. I'm gonna start with costume 1. If costume, you may be wondering, how do we do this? If this costume equals that, and then we're gonna make the money, right? So we're gonna put costume number. If costume number equals 1, then we will change money by 2. You can do whatever you want with that. Duplicate this and do the same for how many swords you have. Duplicate. There we go. 3. And then let's just make this 5. Alright, now let's test this out. Also, you may be wondering, whenever you press this, you don't actually really lose any money. To fix that error, we will go straight into this. We will take out this. We will put operators. We will go here. Money equals that. There we go. It goes into the negatives. So let's retry that. Does it go into the negatives? Yes. And then see? Look. I wrote for costume 3, 5. So it turned into 11, right? It didn't add all of these. That's a really sick thing about this cool code I made up. So now each time you press on this, you get money times the money. Okay, now that's done with. Now let's head on to. Now we should go on to quest. So for my quest, I'm gonna have a secret backdrop. So let's go to backdrops. We will just duplicate this. So we could just write secret backdrop here. There we go. Secret backdrop. So, to get the secret backdrop, let's make the player do something. When green flag clicked, we will do looks. We will switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Now we will go back to events. When stage clicked, we will go to looks. Switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Now let's make our quest. You may be wondering, look at this very hard code in this with all these sprites. This is a much more harder version. It has more swords, more eggs. It even has the ability egg. I will be showing you how to make the ability egg in the next video. Okay, the quest is not that hard. We'll just go to paint. We will make a circle thing. Oops. Let's make this outline. Yup, that's great. We could put this on the top right corner. Now we could go to text. We could write quest. Let's change the fill to black. Oops, didn't even write it. There you go. Now I'm just gonna shrink this so it could fit in the box. I mean in the circle. Okay, let's squeeze this in, compress it. There we go. Quest code. We will go to events. We will go to when green flag clicked. Looks. We will go to. Actually, no. Let's take that out. We will go to events when the sprite clicked. We will go to broadcast. We will make a new message. We will say this message close. Okay. Sorry, not this. That's for the next step. That's for the next thing. Here, new message, open. Okay, broadcast open. So now whenever this thing's pressed, it will broadcast its opening for the quest tab. Now let's make the quest tablet. I'm gonna make mine black. Put it right about, no. I guess that's okay. Yeah, alright. Now we'll make our text. You'll go to brightness, saturation. There we go. Quest. Alright, quest 1 will be. I'm just making one quest. You can make as much quest as you want. Unlock secret backdrop. Okay, that's not fitting. So let's fix that. Compress it in. There. So now we will duplicate this and we'll switch its brightness instead. So now we will make it green to make it look like it's finished. So now we'll go to code. When green flag clicked, we're gonna make this hide. Okay. When green flag click, hide. Now we will go to events. When I receive open, we will go to looks and we will go to show. Also, when green flag clicked, let's go to we'll have to make the costume to costume 1. Alright, when I receive open show, so we will go to events. We will go to when backdrop switches to backdrop 2. Looks, switch costume to costume 2. Now let's see how that works. Let's see how it works. Oh yes, I forgot the closing. Okay, we can make this look like the closing. It's right here. When green flag clicked, we will go to hide, events. When I receive open, we will go to looks and we will say show, events. When I receive close, we will hide. Now we've done oops. I switched it up. Okay, now we will go to when the sprite clicked, we will go to broadcast, close to. Okay, we will go to this. When I receive close to, we will go to hide. Let's see. Oops. Let's see how that works. There. Quest. Okay, we forgot to add that. Wait. What did I do? Oh, yes, I completely forgot about that. Wait, what did I do? Okay, I know what I did. When the sprite click, broadcast 2, when I receive close 2, we will hide. Now let's see how that works. Reset. It works! Now let's unlock our secret backdrop. And there we go. That is all for our video 1. In our next video, we will show you how to make more eggs, abilities, and how to put more quest and an instruction. See you next time. Make sure to watch all of our videos. Subscribe. Bye.